What's up guys, Pop101 here. Today I'm going to be showing you a tutorial on how to fix your microphone for the valve index. It's taken me a while to figure out how to do it properly, but I finally figured out how. So if you like this video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It helps out the channel a ton and I would definitely appreciate it. So first off, you want to go to your control panel. Real simple. Type in sound, go to change sound card settings, go to recording, and lastly the digital audio interface. It'll say something like Valve VR radio and HMD mic. This will be turned off. This will be disabled. All you have to do is right click on it or double click on it and set this to be enabled, hit OK, and your microphone will start working again. It is really that simple. So again, if you like this video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Definitely check out the Patreon down below and linked in the description if you want to support the channel. But for now, thank you for watching.